Okay, pressing on QL. How we doing with that?
Good.
I believe we needled right in through here last time. Either side giving you big pains when I'm pushing there?
No, not really.
Okay.
It just feels like this is tighter over
Sure,
here.
sure.
Not-
Pressure here. Any change, better, worse, same?
It's a little tender, not like it was.
Okay. When I'm pushing on it, it gives you a little bit of pain. Is it right where I'm pushing, or is it changing?
Yep. Yeah, right where you're
Right where I'm pushing. Okay. Let's bring your left leg up as far as you can towards the ceiling. Okay. Try the other side. Okay. Not bad there. Okay. I'm going to bring your legs up. How you feeling with that?
Good. Just a little bit
Any
of
discomfort?
little pinching.
A little bit.
Yeah.
There. Okay. All right. And then how has upper back been feeling?
It's been feeling good.
Okay.
I think that, I think I told you more mid back that.
Yeah, kind of on
I
the outside.
can sometimes.
Part of it was, at least for here, was rib cage. Rib cage is still neutral now, which is great. So we don't need to do anything there. I'm just going to bring that there. We're going to start here and lift your head up slightly. Big breath in and out. Okay, good. All right.